Well, hello, folks. This is Michael King again. Welcome you to another day that the Lord hath made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. And what a blessing we've got today. Now, today we've got bright sunshine, and the wind's a little brisk, but we're going to clean out this old Ford and see what we find inside of it. We've got a lot of fine stuff there. I know we've got two nice bumpers that I had re-chrome back years and years ago when it was actually only $250 a bumper. You won't do that now. But anyway, we've got those to get out, and all the interior garnish trims, and just various things of all sorts. And well, let's just get right to it. And I hope the Lord bless you while you watch this portion of the video. Well, you think the wind's blowing a little bit? And brake. Absolutely amazing, astounding. So here we go. I mean, we've got to wash this thing. It's got to be washed. Well, I was wanting to show you my nice, fine seat. How you like that? Isn't that good? And of course, we're going. That old gas tank there, that's over 40 years old, maybe 50 years old. That was the old Beaver Boat gas tank there. That's the Beaver Boat gas tank. And we got to vacuum it out. Vacuum this dude out. My goodness. Well, we're just going to do a little walk around this, see what we're up against. We got it all cleaned up a little bit, and the major dust is gone. This old dash, we're going to take it completely out, and we're going to do a color change. We're going to do the turquoise inside and out, and these old doors are just hanging here. They'll come off, but man, I just can't get over my old Goodyear seat there. Boy, what a blessing that is. And I did see they had fiberglass the whole floorboard in, which you get up under it, you can't tell it. And I stitched this old quarter panel on right here, and we changed it out, and it's got some pinholes, came off an old car from down Georgia. And here's the trunk on it. I don't look too bad. Got a little bit, and we got a little whopper cock going on back here though, on the spring shackle. Nope, it done me in. An old spring shackle right here is flipped. We're going circle track racing, I guess, with this thing. But let's yep, it's got to be washed before you can sand. Well, let's go bring this rascal in. Well, here we are again. Made it another day. We just want to thank you for watching this little bit of a video, and I hope you're praying for us as we continue on this little journey of video kingdom, I guess, YouTube. But anyway, it's good to have you here. And just remember to hit that like button, hit the share button, and hit the comment button, hit the subscribe button. I don't know any other buttons on there. I don't know if you can find other buttons on there or not. You might. But anyway, we got it all soaked up and cleaned and ready to inspect a little farther and start chopping on it and do some little body work. Until next time, Lord bless you.